It's MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be giving you guys my first impression thoughts on these two Kinky straight wigs that I received from two different companies on Amazon. This first wig that I will be unboxing is from a company called NAYOO Hair on Amazon, and I did previously work with this company before, and they have excellent customer service. Now, when you receive your wig, you will receive a wig cap and 4 different colored headbands. Then you will also receive the wig, and this wig has a tag attached to it. It literally tells you the description of the hair and exactly how you guys can go ahead and apply this on your head, but I will also show you guys how to apply it to your head in this video as well. Now, my first impressions is that this hair is very soft to touch, and let me tell you guys, this hair is actually a synthetic wig. This next wig is also in 16 inches, and when you get this one, you will also receive a mesh wig cap and 2 headbands that you can also go ahead and style with this wig. Then of course you'll get your wig in the packaging, and this wig is also very soft to the touch as well. This wig is actually also a synthetic wig. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the wig cap construction, and this wig has 3 combs. There is no comb in the bottom of the cap, but it does have the Velcro strap for the headband, so you can secure your wig tight onto your head that way. This first wig by NAYOO Hair also has 3 combs on the inside of the wig. No comb at the back section of this wig as well, but it does have the Velcro adjustable strap on the wig just like the other one. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what these wigs look like side by side, and I will mention that although they're both 16 inches, the NAYOO Hair wig seemed a bit shorter than the wig from Medo Hair. I also noticed that the wig from NAYOO Hair was a lot fluffier and fuller than the wig from Medo Hair as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig from Medo Hair first, and I'm going to use the cap that they sent, which is this mesh cap, and I'm going to apply it to my head. Before I completely secure the cap, I am going to go in with my Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade, and I'm going to use this to smooth out my edges and create swoop designs in the front section of my head. I do want to mention that this braid pattern that I do have in my hair right now is in preparation for a protective style that I will be doing once I complete this video, so you guys do not have to have your hair braided down like I have it in this video in order for you guys to wear your wigs. You can do a low bun, you can do a low ponytail, you can do 4 plait sections. You just want to make sure that your hair is completely flat underneath your wig, so that it doesn't look like you have any lumps and bumps underneath your wig. Now it's time to apply our wigs. I'm going to start by inserting the comb in the front section of my hair first. Then I'm going to position the 2 side combs. Then I'm going to clip the hair away in the back just so I can secure the strap in the back section of my head. Now you guys do not have to pull the strap too tight because you do not want to get any headaches because of how tight the wig is on your head. This wig is very secure, so you will not have to worry about it moving once it's on your head. Look at how quick and easy this was. I have a completely different hairstyle and I look fabulous. This wig feels super lightweight on my head. It was very easy for me to run my fingers through it. Even though this is a synthetic hair, there was no initial snagging whatsoever of this wig. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply one of the headbands that came along with this wig so that you guys can see what this wig looks like when it's styled with a headband. I actually really love the way this wig looks on me, and can't nobody tell me that this hair ain't growing straight from my scalp. Now I'm just going ahead and tossing this hair from side to side just so I can see what the movement is feeling like, just so I can get some different angles in this wig so that you guys can see how natural this wig looks. Even though it's a synthetic wig, this wig can definitely be finessed. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the next wig from NAYOO Hair, and I'm going to apply it the same way I applied the first one. I'm going to insert the comb at the top of my head first, then I'm going to go ahead and secure the two side combs, then I'm going to pin the hair up in the back section of my head just so that there's no hair in the way when I go ahead and secure the Velcro straps in the back. Now what I will say about this wig is that this wig definitely has a more snugger fit, and that could be a good thing or a bad thing depending on the person. I did not get any headaches when I was wearing this wig, so I guess it will be fine. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this wig is a lot fuller than the wig from Medo Hair, and it is also a little bit shorter. Even though it claims to be 16 inches like the first one, it is a little bit shorter than the first wig. But what I did like about this hair company is that they send you 4 headbands, so you do have a few headbands that you guys can play around with when styling this wig on your head. I'm going to go ahead and use this blue floral headband that came along with the wig, and I'm just applying it to the front section of the wig, covering that black band. And this is what the headband is looking like once I went ahead and applied it to the front section of this wig. Now of course I am going to go ahead and do my hair flips from side to side just so I can see the movement of this hair, because you guys know it's synthetic, so we want to make sure that it's moving just like the virgin hair would, so that we can make sure we can slay our hair in public. Just admire the movement of this hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and style this wig in a half up, half down style so that you guys can see what other options you guys can do when it comes to styling this wig. In conclusion of my first impressions of both of these wigs, they are both gorgeous, they are both very soft to the touch, they are both lightweight on your head, and they are both very much wearable in public. They do have slight differences from each other. One is a tad bit shorter than the other, and one is also a little bit fuller than the other, and one is also a little bit more snugger on the head than the other one. In this video, I was able to tell you guys my first impressions on 2 different kinky straight wigs that I received from 2 different hair companies on Amazon. Comment down below and tell me if you guys are really feeling this makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!